Are we live?
Yeah.
Like really live?
I think so.
All right, what's up, Beth? How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing well.
Good.
What is up, everybody? Beth and I have very, very big news to bring to you today. We are going to be kicking off our Memorial Day sales event just a little bit early this year. We've got way too many deals, too much going on to wait all the way until Memorial Day. We want to invite everybody out very early for our event. Beth, when are we going to be kicking it off?
This Friday.
This Friday. Memorial Day sales event starting this Friday. Beth, we've got to talk about a few of our incredible deals that we've got to offer right now.
Really exciting stuff. We've got the lowest price SUV in America right now, the Outlander Sport for $16,990. We also have the Outlander advertised right now for $19,990.
So some leases we've got to cover. The Ram 1500 Express, you can lease for $179 per month. And my new favorite vehicle in the Mitsubishi lineup, the Eclipse Cross, you can lease for $255 per month. So Beth, what do we have going on with Kia?
Really exciting stuff. We've got the Sorento, the Soul, the Optima, and the Forte, all for $199 a month lease. And we've also got the Sportage and the Nero for $209 a month lease.
So guys, I had an opportunity to drive a Nero for about 3 months. I got 53 miles to a gallon. It is a hybrid, it's a CUV, plenty of cargo room, great fuel economy, and you can lease it for $209 per month. With prices of fuel rising, you've got to take a look at the Kia Niro. Also, the all-new Kia Stinger. Great power, great handling. It is a performance vehicle. You can lease it for only $399 per month. You've got to take a look at the Kia Stinger. Like right now, take a look at it. Beautiful vehicle. All right, so back to pickup trucks. The Ford F-150, four-wheel drive, lease for only $199 per month, and the Jeep Compass, lease that for only $169 per month. Guys, the Memorial Day sales event will be our biggest sales event of the entire year. We look forward to having you down. No reasonable offer will be refused. And Beth, Memorial Day weekend, we cooking out?
Yes, we are.
We're cooking out. Burgers, dogs, and deals, Memorial Day weekend. Thank you all. Beth, you ready to go?
We are.
What a great day.